What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Hemiworldproductions, and we are back. You see the thumbnail, you know what's going on. But came to the realization, like, not the realization, but I came down to the thoughts of, you know, I'm just going that next video you see, that's going to be gone. I mean, it's cool, but then it's like, as I sit there and I don't have what I need for it to go around, for it to tie into it, it kind of makes it look awkward, and it kind of makes it, it don't make the car look cheap, but it makes it made me look like I'm lying about the car. So I don't know, it don't look ugly, but it's just not it right now. But I wish I could have it like keep it on right now, but I just ain't it. But that's beside the point. We're not here for that right now. We're here for we're here for this. Time to get you on out of here, Playboy. It's time to get you on out of here. So you see I need to clean you a little bit. See the thumbnail, everything is about to tie together real good. I got the part from the same place I got my my side marker lights from, my LED, the muscle car place, muscle car something, I can't remember, but it came real boxed up. It came in 2 boxes. So yeah, they was not playing. They didn't want it to get no kind of damage done to it at all. And the part is, bam, that's the part number. Black vapor. It actually did a whole lot. A lot of grease on there now I think about it. I don't want to put this in my seat. Hold on. Because I don't want that grease in my seat. So we'll get right here. Yeah, that floor is dirty. But it's a floor. We'll get that. So, bam. That bad boy looks good. Guess they overdid it a little bit with the whole little grease thing, so I gotta wipe that off, and I gotta wipe the fuel door off. But get into the light. That looks pretty goddamn good to me. Besides that little grease spot right there, but yeah, that can come off. Now it's on my finger. But besides a little grease spot, that looks good. Oh yeah. Alright, let me go ahead. Oh, another thing, people just be lying on YouTube. Everybody just be like, well, stick your hand under here, and it's just right there. Most of y'all must ain't got no real wells in there, because yeah, I gotta pull my stuff back and all the other good stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna shut the camera off. I'm gonna go ahead and start it. I'll be right back with you. Alright, I am back real quick. So it's finally out. It's a little more hard than I thought it would be, but it's finally out, and we are ready. I don't know why I tried this with one hand, but this is what we're going to look like. I'm going to put this on before, and just like that, we are done. Oh, I still need to put the gas cap in there, but yeah, let me close that door. We are done. Damn, can't say it look any better. I wanted to get the gloss black, but I wasn't paying no 300 for that. Now I just wasn't paying no 300 for it. It wasn't that serious. But this bad boy looks good, and it sounds nice. It's not all rattly. Like it's good. It's good. But so pretty much what you came here for, really. But on the further better news, well, not better news, but on to other news besides this great thing that just tied everything off together and just made it all so perfect. All so perfect. But I realized I got off of the subject, well, not off subject, but off of track, because I was so concerned about having this black and white theme and getting stripes off and figuring out decals and everything else, and yeah. But I realized something. I was like, I did my headlights, I did not do my fog lights, because I was coming outside one day, I was like, why does my fog lights look like that? I was like, I got off track, I forgot all about my fog lights. So I need to do my fog lights. I know that's gonna be another video, and I still need to find a CD player, but I really do need to get these fog lights. But I mean, yeah, but I need to get the fog lights and what else? CD player, well, bigger CD screen, because if you haven't been paying attention to my videos, go back and watch them. But if not, there you go right there. I have this little ass screen. So yeah, I feel like they cheated me out with that, because I feel like those are the ones that come in the SXT, and I'm not gonna lie, even in the SXT, people still you know, people still got big screens, and they just gave me this little ass baby screen. But I can't do nothing about it, can't say nothing about it besides go buy another one, so fuck it. But yep, most likely the next video is going to be the fog lights, or it's going to be, I don't know, it's probably just going to be the fog lights, because every other thing I have to do to this car requires me to drop it off at a shop, and most likely that's going to take some days, because I can't get a wrap because it's too cold down here. I don't want to mess the wrap up, pay for it, and it automatically start peeling off a couple days later. That'd be stupid. So only thing I can really do is start ordering parts for like speakers in the trunk and everything else, speakers and doors. Only bad thing about that, when I do that, it's gonna take time, but I'll have no content to bring to the channel. So that means I probably have to bring out the other car to the channel. I don't know, I'll figure it out. Because I do got a majority of things I do got to do to this car, but I don't know. But you came here, that's what you're here for. Bam, tied it off pretty perfectly. Everything is going good. I'm going to snatch that RT off of there, and yeah, so that, I ain't gonna lie, that just made it look very perfect. But yep, that is it for right now. And damn, I gotta figure out some more videos, or we just gotta bring a car to it, or we gotta bring a new car to the channel. But we'll figure it out. But remember to comment, like, and subscribe. You look good. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and y'all come back and holla at y'all boy, and y'all take it easy.